Howdy, it's me. I'm back from the dead, kind of. I originally recorded this video in a closet, but like the audio quality was so bad I decided I'm just gonna re-record it when I get to my home thingy, a little studio. So, anyway, enough like jibber jabber. I'm gonna show you how to change the color of like your Roblox studio. Cause if you look at my script background, you can see that mine is darker than the average Joe's. And a few people are asking me how I did that. So it's really easy. You just go to File, you go to Studio Settings, and then you have Selection in Script Editor. And for this, you go to Script Editor, and you'll see there's a bunch of like little colorful boxes. You go to Background Color, and you can change the color of your script background thing. You can actually have it whatever you want. I personally just keep it like a really dark gray because it's easier on my eyes. You can also change the color of like your text. So if I hated myself and I wanted my text to be like neon red, I could just, and now I have really stupid studio text. I don't know why anybody would want that, but hey, I'm not judging. So you can edit like all of your studio color things, which is pretty neat. You can also change like, okay. So when you click on like a part or you hover on it, there's like a colorful thingy. So it's light blue, you click, it's dark blue. In Studio, you can actually change that by going here. You File, Studio Settings, Selection, and then you can like, so right here, hover color. I'm gonna make it light red or like a pink, and I'll make the selection color a deep red. So if I go into Studio, you can see when I highlight it's pink, when I click it's a deep red. So yeah, just experiment. There's a lot you can do in there. I don't recommend you change the color of a lot of things because most of these colors are like that for a reason. Like you don't want to change your syntax. So if I were you, I'd only change the background color and maybe the comment color so you can have like different colored comments because by default they're gray. But yeah, oh, the dogs are going crazy. Alright, I gotta go. Bye-bye. Don't make ugly studio. No ugly studio. Yeah. Bye-bye.